Hello student, this is Namrata from Star Global School and now we are going to discuss our chapter 10 for environmental studies and that is eating with everyone. Why it is important to eat with everyone? We are going to discuss in this chapter. And eating together in a family, of course sharing meals in a school, and when we are having a gathering or when we are meeting in a family function, then also we are eating with everyone. So let's begin with the chapter. Here I have written some points why that means the importance of eating with everyone. Second, eating together in a family. Third one is sharing meals in school. And the fourth one is community meal. So let's talk about why it is important to eat with everyone. Because while we are eating with everyone or when we are eating together, we can share our ideas. We are learning to take care of others and we learn to sharing. We learn sharing. So this is the importance of eating together. Second one is eating together in a family. Suppose there is a boy and he doesn't like any particular vegetable. Like suppose he doesn't like the bottle gourd. And her mother cooked the bottle gourd in the dinner and he doesn't like that. So what will happen? He will refuse to eat it. But it may be possible that your grandmother or that boy's grandmother is sitting next to him and she will explain the importance of the green vegetables, why it is important to having green vegetables. Maybe she will try to explain the different methods or the different stories, and while she is explaining she is making busy him, she is trying to put some bites of that bottle gourd with the chapati and keeping it inside the mouth of that boy. And by listening that story, it is possible that boy ate the all food in his plate. So this is the way how our grandparents or grandmothers are making us busy and she is trying to make you feed. So here in the book you can see here in this page you have to write few lines about occasion when you meet people and enjoy eating together. And you also have to describe your experience when you attend that occasion. Another one, see in this picture here, the family is eating together. And this is our second point. So what will happen when the family is eating together? While eating together in a family, this is an opportunity to having different ideas and to learn new things about each other and share our ideas. Suppose during the meal we can share with each other and with each other experiences, like your experience, what you have done in the whole day, what your elder sister has done, how was your parents' day, and in between those experiences you are also learning the things that you should not do and those as well you should do. So this is the basic way while parents are teaching us the table manner also. Okay. So next one is family create the meals. While eating together in a family, this is an opportunity to having different ideas and to learn new things about each other and share our ideas. Suppose during the meal we can share with each other and with each other experiences, like your experience, what you have done in the whole day, what your elder sister has done, how was your parents' day, and in between those experiences you are also learning the things that you should not do and those as well you should do. So this is the basic way while parents are teaching us the table manner also. Okay, so next one is family create the meals. While eating together, family creates the love and warmth and spreads among all the family members. So it is very important to eat together in a family. See here, the mother and father with two kids, they all are set next to the dining table and they are enjoying their meal. Here you can see. Family meals create a sense of warmth, security and love. We learn to appreciate the food that we eat and the time shared with each other. It is very important. It is very important to appreciate the food. And as well also special occasions like festivals and weddings or the birthdays, they enable us to spend our time with our extended family, because this is the time when our other family members meet with us and we are sharing our experiences with them and they are with us. And during family weddings, relatives who live so far from your house, they are also coming and we all are meeting in this occasion. This is a very special occasion when all family members would like to attend that occasion and they are very enjoying that meal also. Yes. What is this? This is a question. Quick question. What are the different festivals that you celebrate where members of the community or neighborhood come together? So here you have to write those festivals names where all the family members or your neighborhoods join together, like birthdays party, any relative's marriage, or there are so many. You can write only 5. So sharing meals in school. This is the basic way to nurture any child and put some sharing etiquettes in him. How? Because suppose he has some chocolates. So in the birthdays, they are getting chocolates and they are distributing among the children. Why? Because by doing this, they are spreading happiness among the children, because it is his birthday and others are also being happy because they are getting chocolates. So this is the. In our school, we are having a canteen. Some of the students would like to purchase the food item from the canteen, and suppose that one student has no money, but he wants the things which are available in the canteen. So what happened? His friend will come and he will help him. So here we are learning helping others also. So these are the basic way we are following, and we are learning by eating together. Here there are so many things we can learn by eating together. Suppose one of the student have no lunch box, or suppose he forgot to bring the lunch. What will happen? There would be two things. One is that he has to sit alone, or he is sitting alone and he has no lunch, so he is not doing the lunch. But the second thing is very nice. Any one of the student or some of the students will come together and share their lunch with that boy, so that they are learning the sharing ability, as well as the boy will get the food to perform the well activities in the school time. So here you can say that sharing meals in a school is very important, because we are teaching them how to co-relate or how to cooperate with our classmates or the other people. The thing that is going on in the school, but in a boarding school, there is a fixed time for eating, and students have to come in a particular hall where the dining tables are set, and they have to sit around the dining table where they can sit and have their lunch. Nowadays, government has launched the midday meal scheme, so that those students who are not coming to the school, they are also coming for the meal, but their attendance will be also increased day by day, because they are coming continuously to the school, because they are getting proper food, proper diet. Apart of their attendance or the getting food, the literacy percentages are also increasing in our country by providing them a midday meal. So midday meal is providing in the government school, where students don't need to bring the lunch, and school is providing them the lunch. Here we can say, so here in this video we have discussed already about why it is important to eat with others, and eating together in a family what improves in a family. Why it is important to eat together in a family, sharing meals in a school, how students are getting proper sharing etiquettes in a school, and community meals we will discuss in the other video. Thank you. Here we can say, by providing them the midday meal, the percentage of the students in a school is increasing, and on the other hand, the poverty or the malnutrition is decreasing, because they are getting proper diet in the school. Why it is important to eat together in a family, sharing meals in a school, how students are getting proper sharing etiquettes in a school, and community meals we will discuss in the other video. Thank you.